Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our podcast. I'm Kaidi and I'm here with Azam. Today we will podcast about viral things on internet. Yes. So first we will talk about short videos. Azam, why do you think short videos are so addictive?
So, what I think about the short videos is that almost every people is addicted to scrolling.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I think about the video? What was the question? Why is it so addictive?
Yeah. Why it's so addictive?
Okay, so I think the short videos that we usually scroll at Instagram or TikTok or YouTube or something like that, I think those stuffs are actually more addicting than more long videos because those videos are very short that we didn't even realize how much time that we have spent.
And that's fun to me too.
Yes.
Like when I scroll video, maybe I will watch shorts for maybe 4 or 5 minutes, but somehow when I look at the clock is already 1 hour. Yeah.
Yes. So we actually don't realize how long have we scrolled. But people call us, you are addicted to scrolling. But it's not even our fault because we don't even realize it. I think that's why it's very addicting because those videos are usually around 1 minute or less. But we have scrolled so many videos that we do not realize how much time that we have spent.
Yeah. Okay, so this is recently many people talk about brain rot. You know, right, brain rot? Yes.
Yes, of course, I know.
So what do you think brain rot really means? And what is brain rot? Yeah.
I think brain rot really fits with the name itself.
Yeah.
It is very brain rot. So I think those types of things, those types of stuff, either videos or songs, I don't really know how kids or the new generation Gen Alpha like that are very addicted to those type of stuff. Those are just usually AI generated images.
Like tunggu sahur, menikah bareng. Yeah, like so last year there's so many brand video. Yeah.
Yes, last year is very trending. I don't know why. In my opinion, I think those type of videos are very bad. Even the name itself say it's causing many brains of children. So yeah, I don't really like those type of videos. What do you think about it?
Yeah, for me, yeah, like you, yeah, brain is like name yeah, brain rot, rotting in the brain for children. And it's so annoying, no, like when you're scrolling, you saw random video, brain rot, like tung, so and so annoying, so like yeah.
Yes, even my when it was holiday, I go home and then my little brother who is around 3 years old is singing Friends of songs and I am very confused.
That's what I'm using.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next is, have you ever felt your focus getting worse because of too much scrolling?
I think yes. This can connect with the with that we are addicted to scrolling that we don't realize how many times, but it can also connect about that we are having too much screen time. You know that is very unhealthy. So either we cannot focus or like wasting time, or we can also because of the short videos we can also lose our focus in our eyesight. For example, you scroll too much and then when you finally decide to stop, usually your eyes become very dizzy because you've been in front of the phone for too long.
Or we call it like doom scroll.
Yes, no scrolling. That's what people call it.
Yeah. So what was the question? What the fourth question?
Yes.
Okay. So the fourth question is, should we limit our daily screen time?
Yes, this is actually what many people should do. I'm not saying for many children, for many kids. I think this could also relate for the adults, for the parents. So for the teenagers around our age, I think of course they should limit their screen time because they still have some work, they still have some study like that. But if we stop talking about the teenagers, we can also talk about screen time for the parents because sometimes parents can be the same. They can also doom scroll without even realizing it.
Sometimes something like that.
Yes. For example, if you are a parent, then you have a plan to do the dishes, to do the laundry and stuff like that, but you decide to take a break and maybe scroll a little bit, and then suddenly you have spent around 3 hours and forgot all of the work. So yeah, I think setting some screen time is very good. Like for example, maybe just a few minutes or a few videos like that.
But in my opinion, for teenagers, I think that's not useful. Yeah, very not useful because we only know what's the wrong and what the bad things are good things.
Yeah.
And the last question is, what kind of content do you usually watch?
So the content that I usually watch in my at when scrolling like at TikTok, Instagram like that, I don't watch any AI generated videos or whatever. I can assure you that I usually watch lots of edits. Recently, there are lots of edits about soccer,
You
about
like anime and
no, that usually don't show. Usually I show a lot of edits. Actually, right now in my for page or what I usually watch, there are lots of like sports like basketball, even NFL or F1.
Oh, you watch NFL?
Yes, of course.
Cap.
No, real. I watch. And recently that I saw a video about going to ski or snowboarding, and I'm very interested in those stuff.
Okay. So yeah, maybe that's all from us for today podcast. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.